Do you want to make money on YouTube without having to show your face? You can start right now using only your phone. And here's the best part. It won't cost you a dime. I'm telling you, like, it is completely free. I'll walk you through the simple steps to create high quality videos with free apps. And stick around because I'll be saving the most important tip for the last, the one that could make or break your success. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been thinking about creating a YouTube channel but do not want to be on camera or do not even want to show your face, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create videos without showing your face. Yes, and you'll be using only your phone with free apps. And if done right, this can lead to earning serious money through YouTube ads, sponsorship, and even affiliate marketing. Yes, stick around to the end because you do not want to miss any of these tips. Step number 1, choose a niche. Yes, you need to decide on your niche, what your channel is going to be about, what you want to make, what content you want to be creating. Some of the most successful faceless channels cover topics like tech tutorials, personal development, storytelling like crime stories and whatnot. These are very interesting topics you can go into. You do not need to be in front of the camera to start these YouTube channels. So you have to choose a niche you are passionate about, because if you are consistent, it could become a passive income. And what will make you consistent is if you are creating content that you are passionate about, that you enjoy making. So this could be a steady or passive income stream that would earn you money while you are sleeping. Yes, so first of all, do not forget, choose a niche, something you are passionate about, because you have to stay consistent to start earning money from YouTube. Step number 2, script and voiceover. Yes, you would need a script, okay, but don't worry, this is easier than it sounds. You can use free tools like Google Docs to write down your ideas. Keep it simple. Make sure your content is clear and easy to follow. Yes, if you do not want to use your own voice, then there's an app called Narrator's Voice. You can use that to create natural sounding AI voiceovers for free. Emphasis on free. So no need to hire voice actors or record yourself if you do not want to. You can use this free app to get your voiceovers. Simple, right? Trust me, there is more to come. Next step is recording. Now let's talk about recording and editing your video. So if you are doing a tutorial or a screen record, you can use the free apps like XR Recorder. Yes, it's perfect for capturing your phone screen without any watermarks. If you are creating a video with stock footage, you can grab free clips from Pixel or Pixabay. These are very beautiful websites. You can get free footages, free pictures from to create your content. And then when it comes to editing, you can use CapCut. Yeah, almost everybody knows how to use CapCut, trust me, and it is cheap, it is free. If you do not have money to pay for the paid version or the pro version, the free version is also very okay. So it's a completely free mobile editing app that has everything you need, from trimming, transitioning, text overlays, any form of editing you need at all, even some cool animations. Trust me, editing your video this way can still give you that professional look without having to hire a professional editor, without having to use expensive softwares, or in fact breaking the bank entirely. So you can use this app CapCut to edit your videos and it will come out looking pink and professional. Trust me. Step number 4, adding music. Yes, so to make your video up a notch, to make it look more professional, you can add some background music. And don't worry, I know you'll be wondering, where would you get royalty free music? You can find royalty free music on YouTube's audio library. Yes, so just download the track and add the music to your video editor. Simple as ABC. Yes, so background music can make your video more engaging and help people keep viewing. It can get the attention of the viewers. They would even end up watching it to the very end. So this would mean more watch time and more potential earnings, which means more money. So this step is actually very important, and it also depends on the niche you are going for. Some niches do not need you to add music, while some would help to give your video that extra kick that would get people glued to the end. Okay, so you can decide to skip this step or you can decide to take it. It's your choice depending on your niche, as I mentioned earlier. The next step is your thumbnails and title. Yes, so before you upload, you want to create an eye-catchy thumbnail. You know, this is what gets people to click on your video in the first place. Canva is free. It's a free app. You can use Canva to create high quality thumbnails in just minutes. I use it as well. So this app has so many thumbnails, or have so many thumbnail templates you can customize to your style. So once your video and thumbnail are ready, you can upload them directly to YouTube from your phone. Remember to add a catchy title. Yes, please, to get a catchy title, make sure you look for words that people are actually searching for. Do not come up with titles from your head thinking because it sounds catchy in your head, then it will do the trick. No, look for keywords that people would actually search for. I'll give an example. Probably someone would want to get a video on how to install a full frontal. It could be I'm just giving an example. The person would obviously search for how to install a frontal. Okay, another example would be a video on how to create something. Remember, we are trying to talk about faceless YouTube channels. So if you are doing a how-to video, make sure you use that title and attach what you are trying to make with the title. It will be something people are actually searching for. If you do not have something that people are actually searching for, you can create curiosity. It could be a question. It could be something that would grab the attention of whoever sees that title. So optimize your titles. Give it use keywords that people would actually find it easy to watch. Okay, and then do not forget your description. Yes, you want to optimize your description with keywords to help your video get found by more people. This step is very, very important because the more views you get, the more watch hours you get, and the more likelihood you are to earn more money. And this is one of the primary reasons why many people get to start a YouTube channel in the first place, right? So do not skip this step. It is very, very important. By following these steps, you can easily start a faceless YouTube channel and build an audience. The best part is, once you've built up your channel, there are so many ways to monetize your channel, your content. It can be through ads, through sponsorship, affiliate marketing. There's a huge potential of earnings that can be made with your content, but you need to be consistent. You need to consistently post. You need to show up every day as much as possible. Drag yourself as much as possible, even if you're not in the mood, or even if something happens. Just remember, you need to be consistent, and then you need to keep your content like high quality. Do not give mediocre content. Okay, make sure it is in high quality. I know you might be wondering, what niches do you go into for your faceless YouTube channel? So before you go, there is a video that I would like you to check out where I talked about the niches to avoid if you are starting a faceless channel. Yes, some niches can get you into trouble, and trust me, you do not want to make that mistake. Some can just be a time waster for you, and check out this video to see some of those niches that you should avoid. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And have you ever thought of starting a faceless YouTube channel? If yes, please drop your comments in the comment section, ask your questions if you have any, and I would definitely love to answer your questions. See you in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.